Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explain. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to update Monopoly Go. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Play Store. In the search bar, type in Monopoly Go and perform a search. Then tap on Monopoly Go option. If you see an update button below Monopoly Go, then it means that you need to update to the latest version. Simply tap on the update button to get the latest version of Monopoly Go. But if you see an open button, then it means that you already have the latest version of Monopoly Go. And this is how you can update Monopoly Go. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.